think that house has tools. I'm going to take some tools. I'm going to steal the tools.
I think I need my measuring tape. Where's my measuring tape? It was right here. I keep losing my hat. Wait. Where's my hammer? I just had my hammer right here. There's a big hole here.
Ready, set, go.
See here. Wait a minute. I just had it right here. Not again. Somebody took it. I think someone's taken my tools. Time to call the police.
What's wrong, worker?
Well, I was working and I brought all my tools with me, but then they started disappearing one by one, and I think someone's taken them.
I need some more information. Tell me what kind of tools they were.
A hammer, measuring tape, and a stud finder.
Okay. I think I have enough information.
Okay, thanks, officer.
I'm gonna go look for this guy. Now, where is it? I know that's my hat when I work. Wait, no! Work zone. Let's get fingerprints off of this. Now, let's see. That should be enough. Look at the fingerprints. Let's see if I can run it through my computer and see if I can get a match. I got a match! Now I gotta go catch this guy. Oh no. I got stuck. It's good that I got stuck because I'm having to stick out. I can't even see anything. I think I'm just gonna.
I think I'm gonna work on these pipes. Just gotta get my tools. This time, I'm gonna close my tools so that way if he comes back, or whoever keeps taking my tools, won't be able to take any of them again. Need my... Wait! What? Somebody took my tools!
Oh no!
Oh, police! Police, wake up! Wake up!
What? Police.
Somebody took all my tools!
Oh, he's back. I'm on the lookout.